Wish you all a very happy Diwali. And in India, we are celebrating the festival of light, where we decorate our entire house with light and then we do firecracker like it's a new year for us. We are starting off with a screen resolution of 2080 into 2860, but we are making it in a landscape, so the resolution goes as 2860 into 2080. We are starting off with painting a rough sky here. That is not going to be our main element, but anyhow, we're using coarse watercolor, adding two darker shade of blue here. One is little darker, another is in the more darker shade. We are picking those color from the teal family, and then we are using wash brush to blend it across. And also thank you for each and everyone who have wished me in Instagram. It means a lot to me, and I wish you all a very happy Diwali and have a lot of fun. Stay safe, spend quality time with your family, because that's what is all about festival. And also this illustration I got inspired by Pinterest, and I thought why not illustrate and also share my wishes among our virtual friends here. So once we are done blending this, we are going straight off into our elements. So few of the elements which is going to be is one is the window bridge, another is like a layer of a window here, and then a curtain and a lot of light hanging around, and then we are lighting up with the diyas at the end. Now we are going to add tree artisan using the camo brush. I'm just roughly tapping across the entire painting of ours. We are just not going in any way, and then I'm going to use speckles to add those tiny dots of light at a distance. But for now we are just going to draw the window. Okay, for window I'm going to use a fountain pen, and then with the help of draw straight rectangle option I'm going to draw the window, and then I'm just going to fill around. And then once done fill, I'm going to add a highlight with a lighter color, and then I'm going to use our blending brush to slowly blend the across. Entire illustration is in 2x and in 4x speed, because for me it took me around half an hour. I would have done it earlier, but I think I took a sweet time of mine. So once we are done blending using our wash brush, we are just moving on to our balcony layer. So it's kind of like you are watching through your window and you're decking up your window for the festival, and also you're placing up diyas for the marking of Diwali here. And also there's so many fireworks that happened to go yesterday, and it was really spectacular. It's anytime you're just in your child just wants you to see those fireworks, isn't it? I'm using fountain pen again with the help of draw style line option. I'm just drawing this wall or a balcony at a distance, and then I'm just making it highlight. I'm trying it as much as I can, and once done I'm also going to add a bridge or one more highlight. So imagine a balcony and then you have one more top of that balcony, right? Two-step process. So I'm just using the same here with this help of fountain pen and draw style line option. So we are going to add highlight to the facing wall and the shadow to the top wall. I hope that makes sense. And also I know a lot of you won't be watching this today or maybe tomorrow also, but whenever you get, please make sure to illustrate. And now I'm going to add a curtain using our fountain pen, filling it layer. I'm not going to do anything as of now because we want to finish the balcony layer or the wall layer here, and then we will come to our curtain layer. So I'm just, like I said, the top layer is darker in shade, the follow-up layer is little lighter in shade, and then I'm just going to use our wash brush to slowly blend it across and making it look like a balcony or a wall from where you are putting on lights and diyas. And also today I happen to be come across this, somebody from Substack has actually subscribed me, and then that is inspired them to write a post of them, and I was so much thrilled. Like, just one point of your life where you decide to write it down, your life kind of comes so much along, right? You have a podcast, and then you have a newsletter, and then somebody got inspired by the newsletter and they started to post this story about their life and share the knowledge with people. I was overwhelmed, and I'm so happy that person started. I may be pronouncing the name wrong. It's Bishima or Bishma, I don't know, but that's what it is. So if you are someone who is holding yourself back and not doing enough for yourself, thinking what people are gonna say, people are gonna talk no matter whether you do good or bad. You just have to do what you feel like doing. So start writing, start putting it out, do your work, don't postpone it because life is too short. Like this new year is here, so this celebration happens, but at the same time you can take away so many good things about this, like positivity, and implement in your life, and then you just do whatever you always wanted to do best in your education, do best in your job, or start your business which you're holding up for long. People will always comment no matter what you do. They'll always be some negative energy around it. You just have to completely ignore. So thank you whoever got inspired with me and started your Substack. It really means a lot to me. That's what I look forward in my illustration every single day. Now we have almost done with our screen also, curtain also, and then I'm just using our final step here, that is to add the lights. For the lights I did very two simple. So one is the star strip, another is the moon strip, and then I copy and paste the rest, and we are almost at the end of our illustration now. So I'm just going to slowly draw a line around it. Now that I'm doing it here, we are just using a speckle brush to add those tiny pop-up of light at a tree. So imagine you're decking up your tree also, but if I put a lot of light in the tree, that the main highlight of we decking up our balcony or the window will be subsided. So I just kept it very simple. Now I'm using fountain pen, and also I'm using a little darker shade here to draw the wire of light, and also we are going to use a star here. So make sure you use two different layers for this, for the star and moon layer, so that it is much easier for you to copy and paste. Once I'm done with the star layer, I'm moving on to the moon layer, and then I'm just doing the same line here. You don't have to be perfect, you can just do as you please. Also you can draw a circle and erase half of it. That would also give an easy moon for you. Once done, we are just using glow neon pen. I'm using a lighter shade of orange because I felt like it is more of what it is, and then I kind of started adding in a zigzag way, and then I filled the moon layer with this. Also you can increase the size of the glow neon pen so that it looks more glowy. At the end I felt maybe I should have increased the size of it, but anyway, since we are done, I was happy how this has turned out. And after this, it is going to be copy and paste. You can paste as ever you wish, like I did as I feel like. So we are almost at the end of this illustration, and once we are done, we'll have one more bit, which is going to be the diya. So now we are finishing up with the star, and then I will be happy to do the copy and paste. That is like the most happiest part of me. All you have to do is copy paste, that's it. And we are almost done with decking up our window. It looks so cute. I think a lot of them might have this really done in their house. If you have done, please share me or tag me in your Instagram picture. I'll be so much happy because I like all these fairy lights and all this decoration. For some reason, I'm just like a child. Whenever I look at this deck up, I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. Are you someone like me? Maybe, yeah. And then now we are on to our final layer, that is to add diya, and I'm just using our fountain pen, and then I'm going to give a half C there, and then once that is done, I'm going to use the help of a flow airbrush to add those diya effect, and then I'm going to use glow neon to add those hint of fire in it, and then I'm slowly going to smudge around and then erase the extra, and then I'm going to copy and paste, and we are done with today's illustration. So wish you all a very happy Diwali. Enjoy your time with your family, because it's one time where you all can be together. Of course, for introvert, it's going to be a nightmare. So sorry, introverts, but I'm also a part of that club. But just say hi, and then you run off and put headphones and enjoy your lofi music. Till tomorrow, have a great life. And tomorrow is Saturday, so my weekly newsletter will be coming from my inbox to yours. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It means a lot to me. We have so much going on. I have so much to teach for you, share with you, and you can gain knowledge through it and also implement. See you all. Bye bye.